To order from Yupoo. Now what you're gonna have to do is search for the item you want, of course, and once you've decided, just go ahead and find a code like this in order to find its price first. So go ahead to this and highlight it so that you can copy it, and what you're going to have to do is into a decoder. So search something like this, or put specifically this in your search bar: https bmlid decoder netlify app, exactly this, into your search bar, and you should be led into something like this. So once you put in the code and press and enter, you should be able to find the price, which is $160 over here, or $24. Then what you have to do is, once you're over here back to Yupoo, you should be able to find a link up here, which is the current website link. Just go ahead and highlight that and copy it, and then go ahead and search for Panda Buy. So over here in this website, just go ahead and put in the link and press on search, and specifically the one that you were looking for should immediately pop out. And just go ahead and put in the specifications back from Yupoo. It should be able to say it over here, so get the specific one by putting in the specifications here. So maybe US 10, so just type that down there, and once you scroll down, you should be able to find the fees. So again, the CNY 160 back from the decoder, as you can see. So if it says 160, just go ahead and put in 160, and as for domestic shipping, just put 10 on it, as shown over here, which will have a total of CNY 170. So once you've done with that, just go ahead and press on buy now, and you should be able to order an item from Yupoo. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.